My name is Brian Cohen. I'm an orthopedic surgeon with Cohen Orthopedic. As an orthopedic surgeon, one of the things that we deal with, unfortunately, are complications. And one of the big complications that has a significant impact on our patients and their families and our staff are post-operative infections. So when it comes to infection, it's hard to actually know what the source of an infection is because there are so many variables. They say that about 95% of infections after surgery occur in the operating room. One of the things we can't control is basically the environment or the air. There are other devices out there that fight infections that use ultraviolet light, and unfortunately that only works on basically what you can see. Synexis is a technology that works in the air, so it goes everywhere. It goes into the shadows where the ultraviolet light can't get. When it comes to treating infection or trying to decrease the incidence of infection, we use a lot of different modalities in surgery. There are some technologies out there that will have a high kill rate for bacteria, but unfortunately it would also kill people in the room. For example, vaporized hydrogen peroxide has a very high kill rate, but it also is harmful to humans. So the biggest benefit of Synexis is that it is something that can be used with people in the space. So it's an occupiable technology that is not a light source, can go everywhere, and just really has shown to be very beneficial in not only decreasing hospital-acquired infections, but also when they've studied students in colleges, in their dorms, fewer students missed class for illness when they had the Synexis units in their dorm rooms versus those that did not. When they talk about looking at employee call-off, those employees that were working in the Synexis environment had less call-off days than those that didn't. So it's kind of looking at a technology that has shown to work in all different areas, but for me as an orthopedic surgeon, it's been so beneficial. When it comes to the Synexis team, it's amazing that a company can be so readily available with any questions you have or concerns. There is an upkeep where you have to change filters and light bulbs and different things when it comes to the individual units, and reaching out to them through customer service or through the local rep. There's immediate response to questions and concerns, and it's a very easy system to utilize and to upkeep. You don't need a science degree to be able to change these filters or the light bulbs. It's very straightforward. I support Synexis for the only reason that I believe in the technology. I just think that they're a company that has a technology that's been proven to be successful in killing bacteria, killing viruses, decreasing the risk of hospital-acquired infections, and they really have a kind of a mission to get this into all health systems and schools and other businesses throughout the country. My parents live in Florida, so I bought them 2 units. It was during COVID. They're in their 80s. When Synexis had the units that were available for home use, I sent emails to all the people that I know and I care about and just said, hey, this is a technology that really would be beneficial for you and your families, in the hopes that they would understand that I have no skin in the game. It's really just for their health and their safety. I believe that this technology is one of those game changers for patients, to try to change the environment so that when we're dealing with patients, whether they're being seen in the office or they're having surgery, that this is an opportunity to even decrease the risk of infection after a procedure by changing the environment that we're doing our surgeries in. I think it's important that we, as healthcare providers and as surgeons, that we don't pass up on any opportunity to decrease the potential risk of an infection, because it has significant impact not only on the patients and their families, but on everybody involved. So we're working on a project to build a new ambulatory surgery center, a medical office building. I think Synexis is going to be a game changer for us. Our goal is to have it throughout the facility. Our goal is to not only improve the lives of our patients, but also our employees. It's worth the extra initial capital to protect patients from things that we can't control. specifically the air quality and the bacteria that populate every OR and every open space.